How to create custom movesets in Jujutsu Shenanigans. So what you need to do is be on a private server like I am right now. Click M and then click spawn point. So now go to the logic here and then click not gate. So simply just spawn it there. Output ID to be moveset. Just click anywhere and go to the moveset block. Click on that and just make it so that it's on top of this pressure plate that we made. Let's go to the input ID, type in moveset, go add, and now you have rapid punches, for example. As you can see, they got added. Now we can do, I don't know, lapse blue max. Let's go 6 here. You can type in whatever in the name, you can just do this. And then click add. And it's gonna be added. And I'm gonna press 6 now on my keyboard. Then there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.